In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in ClickUp. If you need to update the name that appears on your ClickUp account, the process is quick and straightforward. This can be useful if you want to correct a typo, update your display name, or make sure your account information is current. I'll walk you through each part so you can make the change smoothly. Start by opening ClickUp and signing into your account. Once you're logged in, wait for your workspace to load fully so all of the menu options are visible and easy to access. Next, go to the upper right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar. This opens your account menu, where you'll find several options related to your personal account and workspace settings. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your account. Depending on your layout, you may see different categories in the sidebar, so take a moment to make sure you're in the right section. After that, look for My Settings and choose Preferences. This is where ClickUp stores personal account details and customization options. If your settings page looks slightly different, just focus on finding the area that includes your basic profile information. Once you're in Preferences, find the full name field. This is the section that shows the name currently attached to your ClickUp profile. Before making any changes, it's a good idea to double check that you're editing the correct field so you don't accidentally adjust another setting. Now delete your current name and type in the new name you want to use. Make sure you enter it exactly the way you want it to appear across your account. If you're using ClickUp in a team environment, remember that this is the name other people may see when collaborating with you. When you're done, save the change. In some versions of ClickUp, you may need to click Save Changes. In other cases, the update may save automatically when you click outside the field. If you're not sure whether it's saved, pause for a second and look for a confirmation message, or check whether the field keeps your new name. Finally, refresh the ClickUp page to make sure the updated name appears correctly. This helps force the platform to reload your profile information and display the new name across the interface. And that's it. Your ClickUp name should now be updated. Thanks for watching.